Miguel Cardoso admits all is not bliss at Sundowns despite a strong start. While Mamelodi Sundowns head into the November FIFA international break sitting comfortably at the top of the DStv Premiership standings, head coach Cardoso insisted that not everything is enveloped in cheer and bliss at Glow Cope. On Wednesday night, Cardoso marked his 35th win in 56 matches in charge as the Brazilians edged TS Galaxy 1-0, moving to 25 points from 12 games. The champions have won 7, drawn 4 and lost just once, a record that reflects an average of just over 2 points per game. Yet, for all their dominance, the Portuguese tactician remains unsatisfied and said, "Of course, I'm not happy with the points that we have at the moment. That comes from the beginning of the season. Unfortunately, we dropped points in matches we should have won." Cardoso attributed the team's early inconsistencies to their congested schedule and limited preseason preparations, having represented Africa at the FIFA Club World Cup earlier in the campaign, and said our start to the season was not as normal as it should have been. We didn't have time to prepare properly because of the Club World Cup, but we can't keep using that as an excuse. People will start saying the coach is making excuses. Despite the challenges, the Sundowns boss remains confident that the team is finding its rhythm again and said no one inside Mamelodi Sundowns is happy, but we understand why things are the way they are. We are working hard to get back on the right path and accumulate as many points as possible. Cardoso also acknowledged that the DStv Premiership has become increasingly competitive, with teams across the league improving their quality and consistency, and said the competition has gotten better and slightly harder. But our job is to build character and strength so that no one can break our attitude. We must focus on ourselves and keep accumulating points. As the champions pause to the international break, Cardoso's message is clear. Santos may be leading, but the hunger for perfection burns stronger than ever. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.